One of the most aggravating things I've seen as a medical malpractice lawyer is the high percentage time that a care provider alters the medical records. That is shocking to some people because they want to believe their care provider is working for their best interest. In many cases, they are. But what occurs often is a patient is seeing a provider of some kind, obvious medical malpractice has occurred, and the care provider learns that and they panic. And in that instance, they often go back into your chart and they alter your medical records. They delete things, they add things, they change things so that they have a better legal case later. That's called alteration of records. How often do we see that? I would estimate at least 30% of the cases that come to us through one form or another have some type of alteration of records. Oftentimes clients come to me and they're worried, Steve, we need to get the medical records right away because my physician is going to alter the records. And it's a valid concern. Their concern is the doctor will go in and change the records before I can get them. I tell them two things. Number one, about 30% of the time, doctors do in fact alter their medical records. Number two, if they do it, we will catch them. How do we catch them? As soon as we're in litigation, we have a right to ask for what's called an audit trail. And it's an interactive printout that I can go in and set different parameters for, and I can search for a specific physician and find out when they went in your medical chart, what they looked at, how long they were in your medical chart, but more importantly, I can find out if they made any changes to the record. In those instances, when I see something suspicious on the audit trail, I can ask for more detailed information. That information can include the medical record that is at issue, that was potentially altered, and we can actually find through correct requests to the care provider what was written there before, what was deleted, what was changed, and what is written there now. In those instances where your care provider alters the chart, that gives rise to punitive damages, which are damages that are designed to punish a doctor for attempting to go back in and alter the chart. And obviously they're trying to alter it to win their case and, defeat you. So in those instances, we will look for the alteration, we can catch the alteration, and it will add inflammatory punitive damages to the case, which increases the value for my clients.